on that point, Giri, two quick points. Number one, Tani Chalta point, by weakening the opposition, what has the ruling achieved? Certainly, you may claim that your party has got strengthened, but whether it has strengthened the setup. Number two, do you think Dr. Pramod Sawant has emerged as the successor after this election, or do you feel there is still a long way to go?
सी म्हाका दिसता न्ही म्हणजे तुलियो बाब बऱ्या इंग्लिशीन उलयता बट ऑन कंटेंट आय हॅव माय लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चन्स कारण काँग्रेस ही गोंयांत जी पयल्या फावटी सत्तेर आयली ती MG फोडून आयली आणि म्हाका याद करता आज आमी भाईचेरूय उलयले म्हणून म्हाका याद आसा आझाद मैदानाचेर प्रमोद तुका स्पेशली याद आसतली 2005 दिल्लें भाईचें भाशण की आपणें लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशनाक सांगिल्लें आपूण कठीण निर्णय घेता तूं सरकार अनसेटल करूं नाका म्हाका दिसता गोंयचें सगळ्याकीन व्हडलें दुर्दैव आशिल्लें की मनोहर भाई 2005 ते 2012 सत्ते भायर उरलो आनी तें जें घडलें पळय तेन्ना काँग्रेस स्टेप्ड भाई इन द बॅक सो म्हाका दिसता हे मॉरॅलिटीचें लेक्चर न्हय तुलियो बाबान दिवचें न्हय नो मॅटर हाव गूड इंग्लीश ही युजीस ही कॅनॉट चेंज फॅक्ट्स आनी तुमी म्हणजे काँग्रेस सांगता आमकां म्हणजे तांची कितली डिफेक्शनची हिस्ट्री काडुया आनी तुमी डेमोक्रेसीचेर उलोवच्या पयलीं इंदिरा गांधीन कितली सरकारान डिसमीस केल्ली पळय ताचेरूय उलोवया आनी काँग्रेसीन कितली डिसमीस केल्ली ती कमिंग टू प्रमोद सावंत म्हाका दिसता सगळ्याकीन व्हडली एसिडिटी आहा जी सगळ्यांक जाता सगळ्या ऑपोजिशन पार्टीजांक म्हणजे देर इज नो एक्सेप्शन दे थॉट की डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत वॉज अ नायट वॉचमॅन जो 2019 म्हणजे 2022 पर्यंत कसो बसो बॅटिंग करतलो आनी देन ही वील पॉसिबली गो डावन इन द हिस्ट्री बट द वे डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत इमर्ज म्हणजे वेदर द टफ डिसिजन ही टूक इन 2019 वेर ही सेड की इनफ इज इनफ ब्लॅकमेलिंग एलायज हॅव टू बी टॉट अ लेसन आणि दॅट शूक आणि तुमच्या हाजेर म्हणजे जे आज सामके एका टायमार की चाणक्य म्हणून राजकारणाचे सांगताले ताणें सुद्दां तुज्या टीव्हीचेर एक्सेप्ट केले की आय नेवर थॉट सच अ थिंग वॉज पॉसिबल दुसरें 2022 आमकां याद आसा म्हणजे म्हाका दिसता काउंटलेस डिबेट्स हॅव हॅपन्ड इन दीस वेरी स्टुडियो जंय हांव सांगतालो की डॉक्टर सावंत इज इमर्जिंग एज अ लिडर आनी एक म्हणजे आज कशें जालां न्ही आज फरक कार्यकर्ता म्हणजे हांवें एज आय सेड की देर कॅनॉट बी सिमिलॅरिटीज पण आज एक कार्यकर्त्याक खंयच्याय मिनिस्ट्रीन काम आसूं तो दोतोरा कडेन धांवता आनी दोतोर सावंत गिव्ज हिम अ हियरींग सो आज म्हाका दिसता हीज इमर्जन्स एज अ लिडर इज समथींग वीच इज हर्टिंग द ऑपोजिशन आनी ताज्या खातीर तांची जी इच्छा आशिल्ली की BJP वील कॉलॅप्स हॅज नॉट हॅपन्ड आनी इट वील नॉट हॅपन
तुलियो बाब क्विकली डू यू थिंक डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत इज एमर्ज एज अ सक्सेसर पॉलिटिकली येस बट as a successor, do you think he has emerged?
First of all, in politics, in a mature democracy, the question of successor doesn't arise.
Technically, yes.
And we don't believe in such successors. If BJP is following the wrong path, that is their problem.
Okay.
Or if BJP thinks that Congress, whether Mrs. Gandhi
Rahul Gandhi katta,
whether Mrs. Gandhi, whether Mrs. Gandhi took some strong decisions but helped liberate Bangladesh and strengthen India is another matter. Whether they respect this situation which was accepted by the whole world as a strong leader. Now, whether they seek to follow Indira Gandhi's certain authoritarian decisions which were good for the country and in terms of the prevalent circumstances, that is absolutely not for us to discuss in this debate.
Yeah.
That we can.
But do you think
Pramod
Pramod Sawant
has emerged a leader? He has made one silent pointer, which is actually totally not in for a mature democracy nor a political party that is in power. He says that every smallest karyakarta has to run to the chief minister to seek relief. That means the whole party संघटना जे आसा party organization जे आसा ministerial cabinets and colleagues, that means nobody is able to give any relief. That means there is some basic problem.
Okay.
And every smallest karyakarta has to run to the chief minister to seek relief. Is this the type of successor in leadership
Congress will never understand what a karyakarta is. And karyakarta वता तो हक्कान वता. He doesn't go there because the system has collapsed.
ताका म्हाका दिसता आता तांच्या आमदारांचेरूय कसलो विश्वास ना कसल्या आपणाच्या मंत्र्यांचेरूय विश्वास ना ताका सीएम
तुमच्या आमदारांक तुमच्या पक्षाचेर विश्वास नाशिल्लो तुमकां बीजेपींतलो हाडून लिडर ऑपोजिशन करचो पडलो.
काँग्रेसीक विश्वास नाशिल्लो म्हणून ती
अरे गोंयकारांकूय विश्वास ना काँग्रेसीचेर.
ओके.
ती प्रक्रिया तुम्ही आता फुडें
So,
व्हरूंक
तुम्ही उलोवचे नाही म्हणटा.
काय
कसलीच
तुमची प्रक्रिया
ना.
आता
काँग्रेस मुक्त भारत आम्ही फुडें व्हरता. काँग्रेसीची legacy नाही.
but I want to know only one thing, whether this is the type of legacy you want to take forward.
Okay.
Congress Mukta
was
Bharat
this-
is the legacy
or
we
was
want to
this
take
the
forward.
party with a difference
Okay.
which
Okay.
was projected
Okay.
among
Yeah.
the
We are-
before the
we
people?
are-
Giri.
Was
Go and
the
agree
party
that
with
we are a
the-
party
with the
with a
party
difference.
difference?
Go and agree
To run
by
the
voting
party
you
with
out.
a-
गिरी
आणि लोकसभेकूय
Congress
दोन्ही
has
सीट
not
जिखून
been-
परत काँग्रेसीक दाखयतले.
गिरी तुल्यो म्हाका फायनल सिद्धार्थ इतलें सांगात तुमकां दिसता आफ्टर लिसनिंग टू ऑल दिस दॅट डॉक्टर सावंत has emerged as the successor, emerged as the leader, emerged because of the elections as a chief minister. सगळे बरें. As the successor, do you think on this day he has emerged?
I don't know whether word successor would be correct word to use, but yes, he is in his own way and his own style is trying to fit into the shoes of the top leader of BJP, and to an extent, I must say that he has been successful also, because see, he took spearheaded the election. And people gave him a mandate. People trusted him. So who are we in a democracy? Ultimately, who decides whether? See, I may have any opinion to say that no, he would have not done better. Somebody else would have done better. But he went with his policies to the people, and people voted him. See, post defections, we will not even talk about it now. But did they not give him 20?
Yeah.
Out of
Yes.
so
I think-
therefore people chose him over the this.
I think-
एकूच point तांच्या भितर होतो ते म्हणटाले ते because Congress has become, as far as that Congress will have to be giving into, or at least we have to grant that to BJP, that it is not BJP's job to strengthen Congress. Congress has to make themselves start that reorganization of the parties, giving confidence to the people, taking people along with him, winning the confidence. की जे लोक तुमच्या कडल्यान पयस गेल्यात तांकां परत तुम्ही जिखून हाडपा खातीर हे जे काम आसा त्याचे जे कष्ट आसा त्याच्या खातीर पॉलिसी, त्याच्या खातीर काम, त्याच्या खातीर स्ट्रक्चर हे काँग्रेसीन दिवचे पडटले. इट इज जॉब ऑफ अ बीजेपी.
ओके ऑन दॅट नोट हांव हांगा सोंपयता. वेळ सारको सोंपला, बट म्हाका दिसता सगळे मुद्दे तुमचे मुखार आमी दवरल्यात. कारण 4 वर्सां जालीं, ताजे उपरांत म्हाका दिसता मांडवींतल्यान जुवारींतल्यान खुबशें उदक व्हांवन गेलें, जुवारीचेर तर पुलूय जालो. सो अशी परिस्थिती भितर हो एक उहापोह करप, एक ताचो आढावो घेवप हें अत्यंत गरजेचें, आनी तो आढावो तुमचे मुखार दवरपाचो प्रयत्न आशिल्लो.